Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Robinhood Wallet, which is a secure and beginner-friendly crypto wallet. So if you have been curious about whether it's the right choice for your crypto journey or not, stick around because this is exactly what I'm going to tell you in today's video. So the Robinhood Wallet is a self-custody wallet that is designed to make managing your crypto straightforward and secure. Unlike Robinhood's traditional trading application, this wallet gives you full control over your private keys and supports directly interaction with the Web3 apps and DeFi's. Now, here are some of the features that Robinhood Wallet offers in 2025. In Robinhood Wallet, you are in full control of your assets, so there is no third-party custody involved in it. You can manage your cryptocurrencies across Ethereum and Polygon seamlessly. You can enjoy free transactions on the Polygon network, making it wallet friendly for newcomers. You can use dApps for staking, swapping, and exploring NFTs directly from the wallet. With its clean design, even first-time crypto users can navigate with ease. Now, let's just talk about the pros and cons of the Robinhood wallet in a nutshell. First, let's just cover the pros. So you will get full ownership of the private keys. There is no fees for the Polygon network transactions. You get the clean and simple user interface, which is great for beginners. It gives you easy access to the DeFi's and Web3 application. If I talk about its cons, it gives you the limited blockchain support as compared to the other wallets out there, and some of the features may feel basic for the advanced crypto users. Getting started with the Robinhood wallet is also quite easy. You can easily download it from the Google Play Store or App Store, and I will also create a detailed tutorial for you if you want to get started with it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So in a nutshell, the Robinhood wallet is perfect for beginners who are looking for a smooth entry into the crypto and Web3, especially if you are interested in fee-free Polygon transactions. However, if you are a power user requiring advanced tools or multi-chain flexibility, you may need to look elsewhere. And I have created a series of videos about reviewing different wallets, so you can check out that playlist on my channel. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.